Hi, I'm Patrick, Head of Sales Engineering at ALTR. ALTR is an enterprise-grade data governance and security platform that marries context-rich monitoring with active protection, giving organizations complete visibility and control over how sensitive data is accessed and used. With ALTR's activity dashboard, teams can see who's accessing what data, when, and how, all in real time across their databases and analytics platforms. Quickly review recent query activity and how tag-based entitlements are being leveraged. Understand immediately if any irregular behavior must be investigated, and get a gauge on how well your governance strategy is being enforced at scale. From there, our unified policy engine will let you translate governance intent into action, defining fine-grained access controls, dynamic masking, format-preserving encryption, as well as powerful tokenization policies across the entirety of your data ecosystem, all without rewriting a single line of application code. Our data classification functionality helps you automatically discover and tag sensitive information, ensuring consistent governance and compliance. Comprehensive reporting will empower your teams to review your results and plan for overall governance execution. Finally, comprehensive audit and system logging gives you a tamper-proof record of every data interaction, every policy change, query, and user action, centralized for compliance reporting and forensic analysis. With ALTR, you don't just observe data, you govern and protect it from a single unified experience. To see how ALTR can simplify governance and strengthen data security for your organization, please feel free to visit our website at altr.com or connect with us directly to schedule a personalized walkthrough.